Okay, so for this quadratic equation over here, the first step would be to factorize. Okay, since I know the variable is b, right, I'm going to place b in both brackets, make that equal to 0. So what two numbers can I multiply in order to give me 14? And if I were to add or subtract them, it would give me 9. So the numbers that comes to mind is 7 and 2, right? Because if you multiply 7 and 2, you get 14. And if you add 7 and 2, you get 9. So I can place that over there. I'll just scratch that out. Right, place plus over there. So now I have b plus 7 and b plus 2. So these are my two factors that are now going to equal to 0. Okay, so if I take b plus 7 equal to 0 and bring that 7 over, it becomes negative 7 in b. Okay. So the reason why I'm doing it like this, it's because there are always two values for b, right? There are some cases where the variable is just one value, right? That's only if these two values are the same, right? If these two values are the same, and the signs are the same, then you know there's only going to be one value for b. But since they are different, right, there is going to be two values for b. Right, so if I take b plus 2, make that equal to 0, bringing that 2 over, it becomes negative 2. Right, so there are two possibilities for b, which is negative 7 and negative 2.